All right, so welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about Hbar, analyzing the price, see what's happening with Hbar, and what we could be expecting going into Saturday morning. Apologize I wasn't able to give you guys an update last night, but yeah, we're back on schedule. Haven't missed a day, over the last, I would say, a month, but yesterday was the day. But sometimes you honestly do need to take a break, and we're back looking across the market. Quite a bit of red across the board, as you can see. I know a lot of people are frustrated at this. People want the market bouncing, but the market is in a weird stage right now. Even though, and I mentioned this in my XRP update, if you did end up watching it, we are seeing so much happening for crypto, but the state of it, the market since the Trump and Melania coin, specifically the Melania coin, has been quite strange, because people are chasing these new coins that are launching, which of course I think is going to lose a lot of people money, because not every coin is going to perform like Trump and Melania coin. But we also need to understand what's happening with Bitcoin and the dominance, and of course what kind of impact that can have on the broader market. But if you're looking over the last 1 hour specifically, you are seeing the market bouncing into Saturday morning. Looking at the price, 33.2 cents. I'm really impressed with the way Hbar is currently holding. We're up 1.2% in Bitcoin comparative with the valuation currently sitting at about $12.8 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $500 million as we speak. But yeah, before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, what has changed literally in about a few hours is that the dominance spiked up. So literally from the likes of 58.38%, the dominance shot up to 59.10%. So the dominance is rising quite quickly. And remember, when dominance goes up to the levels where it's at right now, a small tiny bit of a move from Bitcoin towards the downside will have an impact on the altcoin market, and that's exactly what we're seeing right now. If I were to zoom in for you guys on the Bitcoin charts, you can see Bitcoin is pretty much on the edge of breaking towards all-time highs. But even though we have seen this retracement over the last few hours from 107,000 down to this 104.3k mark, this is going to have an impact on the market, and with the dominance sitting like this. So again, I'm not surprised why we are seeing some red across the board based off of that. But with that said, let's really analyze and take a look at what's happening with Hbar. And like I said earlier in the update, I am highly impressed with the way Hbar is holding. And again, I will explain why I think that's the case. So let's give it a refresh live. Go on Hbar, and here we have it. So if you're looking at it on the hourly time frame, guys, just like I've said to you guys 100 times right now, remember that support that we were being supported by over the course of the last few days, that of course pretty much has been coming in our way as a savior in a way. So support is pretty much how you want to look at it. And you could see, we came down to that 31.3 cents mark. We bounced back and forth around this range, and you saw that major pop out to the likes of 35.1 cents. So this is that move that I don't want you guys to be ignoring right now. So just a few hours ago, with the dominance even sitting at the likes of 58.94%, you saw Hbar's price sitting at 35.1 cents. You could clearly see Hbar price does want to push towards the upside, get back into 38.2, and start, of course, heading towards the 23.6 fib zone. But we need to understand what kind of correlation Bitcoin and the dominance could happen right now. That is really playing out. But very impressed the way this thing is holding right now. And again, as we have seen a retracement from our high at about 35 cents, exact same level of support which we've discussed in the past is coming as a level of support right now for us. So nice consolidation still within the 0.50 fib zone, and rather I want you guys to focus that the price actually wants to break out. And right now, so far so good. Pay very close attention to, of course, Bitcoin and the dominance index. I think if dominance was lower right now, we would have already seen that 38.2 Fibonacci retest for Hbar. But one step at a time. So far so good. I like what I'm seeing. A lot happening, major developments coming out, the executive orders for crypto. I think the year of 2025 and moving forward is going to be quite interesting for crypto space, especially US based projects. And some people are losing their patience. Some people are realizing that market doesn't move up straight in one line, and need to realize how good the market is looking, rather than focusing on this boring sideways momentum, if you want to call it. But I'm really impressed as to what I'm seeing right now. Still target 38.2. We'll take it from there. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you later from Crypto ZX, and peace out.